COSORI's electric glass kettle is the perfect addition to your kitchen, so you can easily cook up something warm in the morning. The glass kettle gives you boiling water at the flip of a switch. The blue LED indicator light turns on when the water is boiling. It only takes 3 to 7 minutes to boil your water in the glass kettle, depending on how full it is. The British Strix thermostat technology adds more safety measures to the kettle, so your water boils quickly and safely. Boil dry protection turns off the kettle when it's empty, and it automatically turns off 30 seconds after it's done boiling. The kettle's wide mouth makes cleaning easier than ever. Speaking of cleaning, it's recommended that you descale your kettle once a week to remove any mineral deposits that have built up inside the kettle. To do that, simply fill the kettle with 1 cup of distilled vinegar or lemon juice and 2 cups of water. Then boil the water and let it soak in the kettle for 2 hours. Pour the solution out and wipe the lime scale away with a cloth or non-abrasive sponge. After that, just rinse the kettle with clean water, dry it with soft cloth, and you're ready to start boiling again. The kettle is durably constructed with food-grade glass and a stainless steel lid and inner pot, so plastic never touches your water. For rapidly boiled water, safety measures, and durable construction, COSORI's electric glass kettle is the smart choice.
What goes into the COSORI Original electric glass kettle? It might seem like an obvious question, but the answer isn't so simple. Our kettle is made with high-quality materials and supported by a powerful base to quickly deliver the final ingredient for your favorite treats. With its special LED indicator, the kettle even lets you know the moment your water is ready. Plus, the wide opening supports easy cleanup and descaling, so you'll never grow tired of finding new things to brew.
Kettle is designed with dual voltage. You have here a 220. It's great for Europe or China. And you have here a 110. It works in the United States. It's a wonderful idea. You can always change voltage and take this kettle with you to go anywhere. To place the handle in upward position, you need to detach it first. You have here a little lock. You need to pull it toward the middle of the kettle and detach it, and then you need to place it upwards. You have arrows here showing it going up. Then let's open the kettle and fold it, and you have here a little hole and you place it right on the hook. That's it, it's good to go, ready to boil some water. To boil water, attach the cord. Add water. Close the lid. Plug this in. And turn on button.
Quickly and quietly bring water to a boil in minutes from your countertop, desk, or office with the KitchenAid 5-cup electric kettle. The removable base with 360-degree rotation makes it easy to enjoy the perfect tea, hot chocolate, and more just about anywhere. And the spout with removable limescale filter provides a precise pour. Expand your possibilities with the stylish, compact electric kettle, built to perform by KitchenAid.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers with Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Perfect Temp Electric Kettle. It's 1.7 liters. It can swivel all the way around, comes off the base so that you can take it to your table and serve your guests. But the really great thing about it is it can stay off the base for 2 minutes, and when you bring it back, it remembers what you programmed it to. So there's a button on the top that you press that opens the lid that allows you to take it to the sink and fill it. There's also a filter screen inside that comes out. The element is built into the base of the unit so that it's not actually in the interior. So that is really great, especially if you have high minerals in your water. This is perfect for making teas and French press coffee. A lot of people don't know that when you make specialty teas like delicate tea or green tea, a lot of people will say that they don't like the taste of green tea because it's very bitter. But the real reason is they're actually brewing the tea at the wrong temperature. For delicate teas, you use 160 degrees, green 175, white 185, oolong 190, French press 200. For black tea, you want to be at a boil. So what you do is you just press the button that you wish, it'll light up, and you hit start, and what will happen is when it gets to the proper temperature, it'll actually be ready to use. The other thing that's really nice too is there's a keep warm feature on here. You'll notice that this kettle is cordless, and how it operates is this base, when you connect the kettle to it, is how the electricity comes to the kettle to power it. This can swivel around 360 degrees. Here's your water window, which is lit up in blue. So if you want to make the perfect cup of tea, no matter what type, make sure you get the Perfect Temp Kettle by Cuisinart.